Can you hide likes and comments on TikTok? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to hide likes and comments on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply launch the application first. I want you to know that there is no solid way to hide your likes and comments on TikTok, but there is a method to disallow comments on your TikTok post. For that, you can go to this profile section in the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to settings and privacy. Once you're in this page, click on privacy option that is below the account section. Click on it. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the option of comments in the interaction section. Click on it. Here you can see the indication of allow comments from. Now you can update the audience among everyone, friends, or no one. But in the case if you'd like to remove a comment from your specific TikTok post, you have to either press and hold this comment and click on delete, or you can just simply block this person and the comment will be no longer available in your TikTok video. If you do not want to receive likes and comments on your TikTok post, you can just go ahead and make your TikTok account private, and you will no longer receive likes and comments from the people you do not know or you do not approve. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.